Hey everybody, welcome back to the
Cool Kids and One Dad.
And we're here with a request for Floor Jansen doing the Sound of Wind from Final Fantasy, the Chrystal Chronicles. You've never played Final Fantasy, have you?
No.
No, this is a video game from when Daddy was a kid that's been going around ever since. And there's a whole bunch of them. And let's see what Floor is going to do here because I'm very curious. You ready?
Yeah, I think Ava have that game.
Oh, well, let's see if you know the song then. Let's go boom, boom, boom.
Dreaming of the stars on high that speak to me in sacred
I like the harp. Is she going to do this play really classical? Because usually she likes putting her own touch to it. Ooh, that's cool. You see that?
Yeah.
Oh, it's going to pick up. Do you think you can shoot that coming down? So let's go back 10 seconds and see if you can shoot that coming down. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, good shot, buddy. Oh,
Could it be the sacred wind? It's calling me to now begin to walk into the light, carrying the light of tomorrow.
Yeah, Ava have that game.
yeah? You think she liked the song?
Yeah.
Beyond the sky, come now, don't hesitate, don't look back, we've got.
Oh, that's a sound mixing board. So Ava has this game? What's this game like?
I didn't play it. I haven't played it.
Have you watched her play before?
No.
No.
And she will always get angry.
Oh, is this one of the games she gets angry when you she plays and you try to watch?
Yeah, I guess it's like her precious.
It's like her precious? Is it because you try to tell her what to do during the game?
No, I just watch it. Then I go for a bit. Then I go back upstairs because it's boring.
Oh. So what do you think of the song so far?
I like it.
You like it so far? What do you like about it?
I like how when I was like after that thing fell, it was getting like drums was starting to play and other stuff.
Yeah, you heard drums and a fiddle and some guitars. So pretty cool. I was I was hoping that I was going to pick up too. You ready to go? So boom, boom, boom. Oh, I love Floor.
And make sure you don't get orgasm.
I'm already having some orgasms. I get orgasms every time I see her. Ooh, is that layering her voice? Or does she have a female army behind her? Oh, wow. I like that. Out of socks. Well, we need another stop here because we only stopped twice. We need 3 stops. I like the fiddle coming in at the end. How did you like that coming in?
Oh, I realized that other girl is talented like Floor.
She is. She's got a really good voice, and they sound very nice together, don't they?
Yeah.
All right, ready to finish this one off?
Mm-hmm.
All right, boom, boom, boom. Looks like Flora's enjoying herself. And then these are all the people that are in the orchestra, or help do it. I guess not. I guess they're not going to listen to the orchestra. All right. Well, that was The Sound of Wind. What did you think of this one?
I like it.
You liked it? I liked it too. So what did
I give it a 1 jillion of a jillion.
I agree with you. So should we give this a thumbs up then?
Yeah, what is it? Oh, it's free. EK.
Yeah.
That's a bunch.
That is 3,000 likes. And it has got over 400,035 views. 435,000 views. Holy cow.
Holy beep.
Alright, so what do these people need to do?
Like and subscribe and click the bell.
You're right. So if you haven't clicked that bell yet and you're a returning subscriber, make sure that you click that bell. Don't miss out on those notifications. And until then,
The coach isn't lame dad.
saying peace out.
We'll be right back.